What's up again, families and friends, viewers and subscribers, guys? Welcome back to the channel, because today we are doing some red pea soup, and the red peas we have put some salt beef with it. Alright, so I'm gonna stick and stay for this one, guys, because I know I'm gonna love the outcome. Alright, so I could jump right into it. Alright, so I already have the peas pre-soaked from about 2 hours ago, but you can soak them overnight. It helps to reduce the cooking time as well. But the first thing I want to do is set these to boil before anything else, so let's get the ball rolling. And the next thing I'm gonna do is clean up the beef and bring it to a boil as well. And you wanna cut them in size similar to this, my people. The preference is yours. But when I'm doing soups, I like small cuts like these. And as you can see, I'm not using pressure cooker or the Instapot in this process. Typically, that's a method what anyone would go for, but this still get the job done. This is the old school pattern. So while the beef and the peas is already set to cook, now is the perfect time to peel and prepare the rest of ingredients. Because yams, Irish potatoes are classified as starchy root vegetables for those who didn't know, while carrots can be considered as leafy non-starchy vegetables as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know what you think about that. I like to add a twist to the red pea soup, so I'm going to use a small piece of pumpkin as well. And you can always eliminate this if you don't want it in your soup at this time. And better late than never, my favorite allspice berries, locally known as pimento seeds. Great for soups and stews, and also when making marinade for any meats and seafood. And at this point, I'm going to knead up some cornmeal flour to make the spinners in a little while for the soup, alright? And guys, I have no specific measurements for these. I guess after cooking for so many years, it just becomes a norm for me. I'm adjusting everything based off judgment while cooking. So this dough is perfect, and I'm going to leave this aside to set for a while before adding to the soup. It's good to set the dough before you cook it. Alright peeps, so another quick check again. We'll check the peas again to see. Almost. Yeah, the beef I get tender as well. Boy people, me not tell me like kitchen hot, but here one a soup we make. So like I said, the peas almost ready. The meat almost ready, right? So I have all the mise en place in place already. I have the dumpling, I have all of the yam and everything ready. So as soon as the meat get more tenderized, I have to add it to this and we see what I want. Alright, so stay tuned. Make sure if you like, subscribe and share, okay? As you can see, tender you know. Yeah, so I want to put that in the soup, you know. As you can see people, this is the whole reason why I scald off the salt beef. You know what I mean? You see how the water they look? You don't want that in your soup, a pure salt that. So I'm using this technique of adding some ice to the pot. It helps the fibers of the meat to stay tender also, but in our terms we would say shock the meat. And again, this is an optional method. You don't have to use this if you don't want, but this is just my way of cooking. Alright my people, so you know, say I must stand by now. We just put in the rest of the thing them, but one more final check. I could see how the salt beef and how the peas look. So here I'm adding the scallion, thyme, some chopped onions and a scotch bonnet. Make sure to leave a like on this video guys if you make it this far, and subscribe for more contents as well. And next up, I'm coming in with all the ingredients. It's time to add everything. These won't take long to cook and you want to keep them solid at the end. And I know a lot of you guys do have a preference for natural coconut milk in this process, but today I'm using a canned one. Simply because it's more accessible for everyone. But yeah, this certainly will get the job done. I'm so amazed by the quality of this one also. And now for my favorite part of the soup, time to roll up some spinners, because by this time the dough should be well set and ready to go. And these are the perfect size for the soup, but nevertheless the preference is yours. Some people like the carrot wheel size and some people like the spinners. Let me know what you prefer. Comment which one you add to your soup below in the comment section and let me know. Okay, now it's time to add some flavor guys. Now you want to be very careful of how much of this you add. I'm using one because I'm already using salt beef in the soup, and you definitely don't want to end up with a salty soup, because I'm going to add a touch of all-purpose seasoning as well. So one should be fine for this proportion of soup based off my assumption. Now cover this until all the ingredients we just add is properly cooked, and this should be ready to go. Alright my people, so you know as usual, I have to give my honest review regardless of me cook it, but I have to give my review. Cha-cha. Nah lie, this is bad. Why people? I wish I could have shared it through the screen. Mm.